Leo, you look upset. What happened?
My bag is gone. I lost it somewhere today.
Everything inside too?
Yes, phone, wallet, keys, all gone.
Oh no, that's tough.
I feel like the world stopped.
Or maybe it just started. Let's see what happens next.
I can't go home. I can't buy food. What can I do?
Calm down, we'll find it. Where did you go first?
The park, then the bus stop.
Okay, let's start there.
Without my phone?
Yes, let's walk and talk.
It's strange. I don't hear music, no messages.
Listen, birds, wind, people laughing.
I never noticed.
The world is talking. You just forgot to listen. Can you live one day without your phone? Try it and tell us in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Banana English for more English stories that teach and inspire.
My bag isn't here either.
Don't give up. Look that man with the newspaper. Maybe he saw something.
Excuse me, sir, did you see a black bag here?
Yes. A driver found one and took it to the cafe near the station.
Really? Thank you.
See, a little hope can change everything.
Excuse me, did someone leave a black bag here?
Yes, a driver dropped it off earlier. It's on that chair.
My bag. It's safe.
That's amazing.
You were right. Maybe losing it helped me see things differently.
Exactly. Sometimes problems are teachers in disguise.
The sea looks calm.
It always does. That's why I come here when I feel heavy.
Heavy?
When the heart feels too full.
I understand that now. Losing my bag made me see what I really need: peace.
And peace is free.
You know, today was strange but special.
Because it was real.
I saw the world, not my screen.
You found your bag and a new way to see life.
Maybe losing things helps us find ourselves.
Exactly.
Thank you, Emma, for helping me, and for today.
Anytime. Remember, real life doesn't need Wi-Fi. Sometimes losing something helps you see what really matters. Subscribe to English Banana for more easy English stories with heart.